How to contact AliExpress suppliers for drop shipping. Let's say you found a product first right here. Let's say this one, right? Or this wireless gaming headset. So you open this up in a new tab, and right here you should see this sold by Game Tech Factory Store. This is the store number. What you can do is just click on a business info. As you can see, they've been selling for about 2 years. So you want to go for companies that have a lot of reviews, have some, history to go with it. So here, slide this to verify. Just do that verification process. And then they should redirect us to their page where we can contact them. So you just have to wait for a few seconds right here. And here you can see their full business information, right? Can go ahead and zoom this in as well. Okay, it doesn't work. So you have to view this. Now, if you want to talk to them, what you can do is just click on their name right here, right? Just click on this and then they'll redirect you to this page. So this is their whole license. So you know they're legit. Okay. Now what you want to do is click on this to be able to contact them. So now we can see all the different things they actually sell. So I'm going to click on this again. As you can see, they have a lot of positive reviews. They have 10,000 plus items sold. And now I'm going to show you how to contact them. Just click on contact now right here at the top right, of course. And now this will open up in a new tab where you can go ahead and talk to them directly. Okay, and then talk to them about drop shipping and how you'd like to start a partnership with them. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.